S&T is out here protecting World Cup by operationalizing our R&D, specifically around the program of countering unmanned aerial systems, C-UAS. S&T has done an outstanding job at ensuring that all of the stadiums, all of the venues are safe from drones. We were able to obtain funding for the C-UAS program. It took a lot of work, and to ensure that the equipment and the MCVs as well as the trailers were acquired, we worked tirelessly to ensure that happened. We're excited about being able to operationalize R&D, turn the equipment over to the operators for this and future events. For example, Olympics and Paralympics in 2028. Looking at it on paper and the line item versus seeing it all come together and actually seeing it come to fruition makes me proud to be the CFO of S&T. And it also makes me proud to be able to say that we are helping secure the homeland.